Ever wondered what it takes to qualify UPSC? As you ponder over this question, imagine yourself in the prestigious corridors of power, making decisions that shape the future of the nation. Yes, that's the allure of the Union Public Service Commission examination, more commonly known as the UPSC exam. The journey to qualify the UPSC exam is one of grit, perseverance, and strategic planning. It's not a sprint, it's more of a marathon. This journey comprises 3 rigorous stages: preliminary examination, main examination, and the personality test or interview. Think of the preliminary examination as the first hurdle in this marathon. It involves 2 objective type papers, general studies and civil services aptitude test. These serve as a screening test. The marks you score here won't count in your final tally, but they will determine whether you move forward or not. The second hurdle is the main examination. This is a subjective test consisting of 9 papers that test the depths of your knowledge and understanding. The subjects range from languages to optional subjects of your choice. The marks you score in the main examination form a significant part of your final score. The final stage is the personality test or interview. Here, it's not just about what you know, it's about who you are. The interview panel assesses your personality, your mental alertness, your moral integrity, and your leadership qualities. Remember, knowledge gets you to the door, but character opens it. Now, you might wonder, how should one prepare for this massive undertaking? It's simple. Start early, plan meticulously, and be disciplined. Choose your optional subjects wisely, keep yourself updated with current affairs, and practice writing answers regularly. And remember, never lose sight of your goal. To summarize, qualifying the UPSC exam involves a 3-step process: preliminary examination, main examination, and personality test. Each stage requires a different set of skills and preparation strategies. Remember, this is not just an exam. It's a journey that will test your mettle, your determination, and your resilience. But at the end of this journey waits the opportunity to serve the nation, to make a difference, and to be a part of history. So, gear up, put on your thinking caps, and start your journey today. The road to qualifying UPSC might be long and challenging, but it's certainly not impossible. And remember, every long journey begins with a single step. So take that step today. Your journey to qualify UPSC starts now.